Mga kabayan, biglang uminit ang ulo ni Senador Raffy Tulfo, dahil sa mga kapalpakan ng National Irrigation Administration. Panoorin ang video at kayo na ang humusga. Pero bago panoorin, please like nyo muna ang video at mag-subscribe. Maraming salamat po.
Alam naman ng NIA na lahat ng mga probinsya na pinaglalagyan nila ng irrigation project nila, dinadaanan po ng typhoon. Isn't it about time na dapat they have to set a standard na kahit signal number 4 pa yan, signal number 5, wag naman sana, it can withstand that kind of extreme weather condition. Kasi sa ngayon, every single time na magkaroon ng bagyo, lahat ng proyekto ng NIA sa irrigation nagigiba. Why? Hindi ba na-anticipate nila yan? Na ang Pilipinas ay talagang pasukan ng bagyo? All year round, binabagyo tayo. And all year round, nasisira itong mga irrigation projects. Why? You should have anticipated that. Sana gumawa kayo ng mga proyekto na it can withstand up to signal number 4. Period. Bakit signal number 3, 4, giba? Meron pa nga dyan, signal number 2 lang, nagigiba eh. And mamaya, pakita ko sa inyo, signal number 2 lang, na bagyo, nagiba na agad yung irrigation project na yun. Ibig sabihin, super, mega, substandard yung ginamit na materyales. Nakita niyo naman doon kanina sa video. Huwag na tayo maglokohan pa.
Yes,
Mamaya, magpapakita ko sa inyo ang ghost project nyo.
yes. With respect to the first video,
I'm sorry, I'm not mad at you, Mr. Sponsor. Ha?
I can understand your concern, distinguished Senator Raffy Tulfo. No? But thank you for that clarification. But sa
Kasi
atin-
mamaya baka pa-change of rules ko eh.
yes,
Pero
the-
sige, ikaw na lang. Para medyo hilalamig-lamig ang ulo ko.
And according to the NIA, they do have a video that they can submit or present regarding the repairs that have been and the present status of Bulo series. That's one.
Excuse me, Mr. President, let me interrupt. Repairs, 50 million pesos for a certain repair at yung nakita niyo sa video, palitada lang. Pachi-pachi. Ganun ba tayo gumastos ng pera ng gobyerno? 50 million, pachi-pachi lang. Nakita niyo naman, tinusok lang ng farmer. Yung pinag-repair niyo, bumuhos na agad yung tubig. 50 million pesos na agad yun.
Ano, pasabit natin. Yes, but Mr. President, as Senator Tulfo was raising the issues, I said, is there a way that NIA can revisit and review and investigate, given that yung pinaka-latest status is September and Ocular was September 2025.
Yes, Mr. President. But yeah, it was September 2025. Pero consistent pa rin ang aming communication sa mga tao on the ground.
Yes, and
A
that
couple of
too
weeks ago, tumatawag pa rin kami dun sa aming asset. Wala pa rin pagbabago. 2 weeks ago lang po yun.
Yes, and the commitment of NIA is they can look into this because of the concerns of Senator Tulfo. They are willing to conduct a internal investigation and submit the findings to the Senate and through your office, Mr. President. That's one. But they also would like to be allowed, if with your permission, to present the video of the latest, as far as they are concerned, and we'll put that on record. But that does not preclude or does not mean that they will not conduct an internal investigation on the latest Ocular as manifested and presented by Senator Tulfo. Are we, with the permission of Senator Tulfo? Yes.
Oh, yeah, my question is, are we talking about Bulo Small Reservoir?
Bulos, no? Ito muna.
Is that the
yes.
Bulo? Okay.
Bulos.
Bulo.
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 And besides, sir, wala namang 50 million na ginastos kasi ganyan lamang po yung
Ano yan? 50,000?
50 million. 50 million, 5 million. 20.
No, no, I don't understand.
Di ba September lang tayo nag-visit? September na tao pa. Okay. Siguraduhin nyo lang hindi inedit yan ha. Ipapakita nyo. Kasi papakita ko sa expert yan kung talagang
Yes, according
legit ba yung video na yan or merong konting editing na ginawa. Photoshop or whatever.
Structures, improving irrigation canals, and ensure that Bulo Dam, located in Bulacan, was built to irrigate farmlands and support thousands of farmers. It has an actual service area of 418.48 hectares, benefiting 322 farmers from the municipalities of Doña Remedios Trinidad and San Miguel. NIA immediately implemented rehabilitation works, strengthening structures, improving irrigation canals, and introducing modern monitoring systems for efficiency and safety. From challenges to solutions, from oversight to action. Bulo Dam stands as a lifeline for farmers and a pillar for food security. This is Bayanihan. This is Bagong Pilipinas.
that is well, according to the NIA, that is as of October 2025.
Mr. President, siguro kung ipakita nyo yun sa isang kindergarten, magpapalakpak. Huwag po kami mga Pilipino. Ang pinakita nyo video, PR video ang tawag dyan. At gumastos pa kayo, I'm sure. Libo-libo ginastos dyan. Ang gusto ko makita, yung mismong structure. How was it prepared? Yung bang palitada na tinusok lang ng farmer gamit ng isang maliit na bakal, tumagas na agad yung tubig. Yun yung pakita nyo. Huwag yung pakita nyo mga farmland, pakita nyo yung hepe ng NIA na nagpapapogi, papakita yung mga damo, yung palay na tumutubo. Huwag ganon. Huwag tayong maglokohan dito. Ipakita nyo yung struktura na may defect after it's been repaired. Kaya nga, bakit yung pinakita? Pakita nyo yung structure.
Yes,
Doon sa video kasi pinakita ko na palitada lang
I
ang ginawang
agree.
repair.
I
Pakita
agree.
nyo sa amin ngayon, Mr. President,
Yes,
kung anong klaseng repair ang ginawa.
I agree, Senator Tufo. As I was watching the video, I said, oh, nasan dyan yung sagot doon sa tanong ni Senator Tulfo? Wala. Apparently, mali pala yung video. They have another...
Okay, take two tayo.
Yeah.
Take two.
Kumbaga sa take two, cut.
Well, please, i-edit nyo na yung papogi.
Yes, sir.
Magbibigay ka ng mga figures na ito'y para sa mga farmers, ikabubuti ng farmers, pinapakain, etc. Huwag yun. Structure agad, direct to the point. Huwag na tayo magpaligoy-ligoy.
So,
Pakita nyo yung structure.
and
Tapos pakita nyo yung, Mr. President, pakita yung mga tao na nag-repair, kung anong klase ginawang repair, pakita kung anong mga materials ang nilagay doon sa struktura para ma-address yung issue ng butas-butas na struktura, etc. Huwag yung papogi. Huwag yung PR video. Galing po ako sa media, no? Alam ko kung ano yung video na papogi lang at alam ko kung ano yung video na ina-address talaga kung ano yung issue. In this case, the issue wasn't addressed. My question wasn't answered.
yes, and that's why they are now, well, they are apologizing that they presented the wrong
The wrong video.
video.
Okay.
And now they will present the
The right
correct
video.
one that will answer the issues raised on Bulo. May we have the...
Second video.
Tsaka, sir, besides,
Can we have the video?
Baka wala naman. Kung wala na, sige.
The photos. Yes, exactly. It's not going to be a video. It's their photos as of October 25,
yes, sir.
2025. And according to the administrator, Mr. President, the Bulo irrigation dam was constructed and completed in 2014.
Started in 2014.
Sorry, started in,
2022, I think.
sorry, started in 2014
Completed in 2022.
and completed in 2022.
Tsaka yung
And then nasira noong 2023.
Nasira.
1 year lang, giba na agad. God damn. I'm sorry.
sir, yung
After 1 year, for 8 years, 8 years ginawa yung project, and then 1 year, sira na agad. Anong klaseng proyekto ito? Okay, sige.
So, explain to me. So the one that is encircled is the damage
Okay.
on the left side. And this is as of October 2025 on the right side. It has been repaired by the contractor, Mr. President,
What kind of repair?
at no cost to the
No.
government. And as to the kind of repair, this was also inspected by our, it was retrofitted and inspected by our regional office and was accepted.
Can I see the inspection report, Mr. President?
Yes, and also the repairs were likewise accepted by the Irrigators Association. And yes, we will submit the supporting documents, Mr.
Inspection
President.
report. Now, bakit malayo ang kuha, Mr. President? Bakit hindi close up? Para makita natin yung eksaktong repair na ginawa.
Hindi rin ito close up, but that
Malayo,
too,
Mr. President.
yes. What is
And then what kind of materials were used?
Okay, this is the siphon and the repairs that were
Kasi,
dati
Mr.
kasi sinara na, no?
open po dati, sir.
Dati nakabukas yan
Pinaklose ko.
at pinasara na para mas protektado.
Yes, sir.
So that is the latest. Sarado siya dahil at no cost to the government.
At no cost. Mr. President, I'm not an expert. I'm not an engineer. Pero using common sense, hindi naman siguro ako pwedeng lokohin o yung mga taong nanonood sa atin ngayon. Ang nangyari niyan, nilagyan lang ng palitada and then pininturahan konting kiskis para maging makinis. Ganon ang ginawa ng NIA. Mr. President.
According to the NIA, it was not just palitada. There was actually a steel casement.
So, I give you a challenge. Pupunta tayo, staff ka staff mo. Pag napatunayan na patsi-patsi lang ginawa, someone has to resign. Are you willing to resign? Challenge taken. Good.
Mr.
Please.
President, may we request that instead of that the NIA administrator refer his answer to me so that I can
Okay.
place it on record. The NIA administrator, upon the challenge of Senator Tulfo, yes, he said, one, they're willing to go to the site and inspect it. And
And of
two,
course, we're going to bring experts, engineers, independent.
And two,
Observers.
if it is found out that in fact, as alleged by our good senator, that there are defects in the repairs, the administrator has said he's willing to resign.
And
So
we will
he vouches for
Yeah.
the integrity of the repairs undertaken as accepted by the Irrigators Association as well.
And we'll do it next week, Mr. President.
Next week?
Challenge accepted. Very good. Thank you.
Sa sunod na hearing malalaman na natin kung mayroong talagang magre-resign, kaya abangan na lang natin, yun lang mga kabayan, maraming salamat sa time ninyo.